What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? How everybody doing? We live. What you got for work, man? What you got for work? Feel good? Feel amazing? You know what I'm saying? Feel blessed. You know what I mean? Putting my head together outside with the cow. I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, Gary? But y'all, poop. Come out to the neighborhood, right? And they was like, yo, get your dog. I'm like, bro, she gotta go to the bathroom. I'm not gonna hold her. You know what I'm saying? For not going to the bathroom. That's crazy. Man, if I was her, I would be the same way. I gotta go pee. Alright, go poop. Shoot. You know what I'm saying? Good girl. Without me. Ready to start a new life, new chapter. And I always say, man, our lifestyle is important. The dog is important. All us, all God, all us having blessings, and where we at to this day. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Cool, baby. Yes, we are. Let's stay tuned. Huh? What are you eating? Stop eating stuff. Come on. You gotta choose. I don't know which direction you wanna go. You gotta choose. I don't know which direction you want to go. Alright, you wanna go this way? But yeah, man, I was saying, I'm finished some of the story is Pitbulls matter. Why you think in this world they're trying to decrease Pitbulls, American bullies? Why you think in this generation now they're trying to delete all these dogs? Why? Because they're more overpopulated. Pitbulls are overpopulated, bro. Even American bullies. All dogs, man. Bulldogs, Frenchies are all. We're fucking winning. I'm not stopping. I told Kyle all the time, like, Kyle, be the best. Be the best, girl. Be the best. Be the best. Be up. You know what I'm saying? Unstoppable. Be top rated. Stay on guard. And she's a service dog. She's our service dog. It's so unique. Cool to be around. Fucking great personality, great attention, great aggression, great everything, man. Being the best. Shit, me, I can add a beautiful girl, beautiful. Like, you got good at houses for small as yours. That's how it is, you know. Be able to get big at home. It's not how it used to be back in the day when you got a house, you got a backyard. It ain't like that no more. Yeah. The average fucking backyard is mansions. It is. And we don't know that because I know that. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna hit y'all. Kara not having a bond with your dog. Having more valuable with your dog. Having more respect with your dog. I can care less about anyone else in the world. When it comes to Kara, that's my heart. You hear me? Good girl. I just love digging because they smell different scents. Smell past coyotes and amount of time. That's what you want. You want a protection dog. You know, you can say somebody jump, boom. You have a dog, you know what I'm saying, don't react. Weird. So I was wondering, like, why am I better than taking a battery for? But yeah, man. To visualize, socialize, want your dog to speak, Kara was talking. I really wanted to do. I'm not kind of for Kara. Like, oh yeah, you get on my property, please. I'm not doing all that shit. I ain't moved Kara when she said that shit. Hell no. Don't eat that. Kara going behind. She smells everything. Literally smells everything, man. gotta be quick with it though. You do pull them away, you gotta be quick with it. But no, I'm showing you a different way. Like, you see what I'm doing? I'm thinking, what the dog is that? That's a dog. Came out with one dirt bike door. It's probably a hole back there in a cage lock. Sometimes I be thinking that shit, like, yo, there be different holes in different cage locks and shit. And dogs are so smart, they can get out and shit. Now that I'm putting on with a dog out, I ask somebody, oh, have you seen this type of color coat and type of dogs, the males and females? Like, you don't know, man, I ain't need shit. Good things coming, big things pop. Alright, come on. Man, it's the house right there, bitch. Alright, man. Can I go to Alabama? Can I go back? I don't want to like my shit. You know what I'm saying? Here you go, poop. Come on. Go shit. You wanna go back up there? Come on. Go back up. Come on. Yeah, never let them know you outside. I must say, ain't no dog out there. We got the dog though. I'm saying that here. Correct the shit. I don't even want to do that. So. Yeah, she's so bougie. Oh shit. I said chicken bacon. She's our cousin. She's our. Huh? Cow girls, cow. Smell bacon. Smell bacon. You got a cool vest, Kyra. Kyra got a cool vest. Kyra, your vest is so cool. Her thing locked. Her vest locks. Her Are we going? Wait, who's that? I don't know what. Yeah. I got bike right there. Oh, you got them. We already got bins. Ain't right there. Yeah, like moving. Patience, baby. Patience. Ready to come out with you. Get your head up.
It says these won't go flat.
They'll say it. That's just a promote. Get a bit marshmallows. I'm fine. I got the peach right here. I think let's see what the color I get.
When it comes to work, you do. Yeah.
Work tonight. Work tonight. I'm here. I'll be waiting for a nice time. I'll be rushing. I got work for real. Making that thing. I'll record right now. Hold it.